Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your GCash account to your STC Pay account. So let's dive in. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so let's jump straight in. First of all, you need to open up your GCash app. Tap on the send money option from the home screen and then select international transfers from the menu option. The next thing is you need to choose Saudi Arabia as your destination country, then select STC Pay as the receiving wallet platform, of course. Input your recipient's STC Pay mobile number and specify the amount you wish to send. Then you're going to review all the transaction details very carefully, making sure that everything is correct. This includes fees and exchange rates, and then confirm to complete your order. What you will need to know, there is a transfer limit. First of all, there is also a verification required, and then you have transaction tracking. So you can always save the transaction reference number provided after confirming your transfer, and this is really essential for tracking or even resolving any issues that may happen between the transfer. I hope this was helpful.